kular hakani kesni. Mangantrai hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Khur kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita kinong siat hagi hotel and hagi restaurant hi bapau hamokam hilaban pun long e kathong ko chongpi ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma ba ka advanced diploma course
ka Southwest Castles District Sport Association pat kamau korwat arm wrestling association kila ai khublei kerpang ikinong ilia ka jong district ki balawan ra ekana makaburom ling baka jing simbenta jongki haka national arm wrestling championship araja pun Rio kabalong hajala Gujarat. Kini kinong ilia ka kilong upa Jameson Marwen ubala job artli kita kemaksiar haka youth category hapo 100 kilo kabala Khur ya kata kemaksiar haka jing khon daga khati kaman balu daga khati kadiang. Haka junior category hapo 100 kilo uba sambal nong sit Royo Khur ya kata kamarnong haka jing khon daga khati kadiang kabaka kong banri hon lingdo Royo Khur ya kata kama rupa haka jing khon daga khati kaman.
Oh, Samuel.
Next bout, Darius Adu from Kerala versus Alan from Meghalaya.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow. always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.